everyone, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I have another Trader Joe's haul video, so I am so excited to be able to share this with you guys. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. I love doing Trader Joe's hauls videos, so I want to share that with you guys. I want to let you know what's good, what you should get at Trader Joe's, what I've tried that I don't like, and I hope you guys enjoy these videos as much as I do. So let's get on to the video. Let me give you guys a quick overview of all the items that I got today. This is the very first item that we're going to be talking about today. So this is a purchase that I have made in the past and I really loved it. So this is for one of those nights where you don't want to make dinner. This is the uncured pepperoni pizza. This is the wood-fired Naples style. Next we have the organic unsweetened flake coconut. So this is shredded coconut. There is nothing added besides the coconut, no sugar added. I like to add these to my acai bowls. Next up we have something that I purchased on my previous haul, but it is so dang tasty. This is something that you have on one of those rainy days with a grilled cheese sandwich. And I kid you not, it's the best tomato soup that I have tried. I think it has to do with the red roasted pepper because it is so flavorful. This is something that we purchased for the very first time. So these are the French chocolate chip milk rolls, and this actually comes in a pack of 8, and it's a pretty long milk roll. But basically what it says is that they pair well with butter or jam, and they're perfect for coffee, tea, or hot chocolate. And I can personally say I did have some of these this morning with a coffee, and it was delicious. Next up we have the cracked wheat sourdough bread. So this is perfect for an avocado toast because it is quite long, so you're able to fit your toppings on there. You can put your avocado, you can put some greens in there, you can fry an egg, which is the way I like to do it. Really good. This is something new that I have not tried yet. So this is a Trader Joe's cocoa almond cashew beverage, and I don't see myself pouring this on a glass and having it like that, but I do see myself using it for baking purposes. So just adding a little splash to whenever a recipe calls for any type of dairy, I would rather replace it with something like this. Also picked up another bag of pasta. Nothing fancy. This is their Italian bow tie pasta. So I want to pair that with the creamy tomato basil pasta sauce. I've purchased this before. I talked about it on my other video. You can add a kielbasa, you can add ground beef, you can add chicken to it, and it's really amazing. I had to stock up on some kombuchas. It's one of my favorites from Health Aid. This is the Trader Joe's Island Sayaki sauce. So it says a unique teriyaki sauce and marinade for meat, poultry, fish, tofu, or vegetables, and vegetables. So I plan on making this with chicken and some veggies for a stir fry. Got some peanut butter just to put on toast or bagels. This is also something new that I have not had a chance to try because for whatever reason, they're always out when I went to Trader Joe's. But these are their jumbo cinnamon rolls with vanilla icing. So there is 5 rolls in here. It's not very expensive, and I heard these cinnamon rolls are amazing. I'm planning on making these for maybe a dessert one of these days, just to kind of make my day that much better with these cinnamon rolls. Got another one of their Mandarin orange chicken. So this is just bake and serve. It's super easy to prepare. I just make some white rice with this on the side for one of those nights where you don't want to make dinner. One of my favorite protein bars is gonna have to be one of these 1 bars. So these are 20 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar. I got this cinnamon roll flavor because I just love cinnamon rolls, as you can tell. But I love these to have before a workout or after a workout. That way I feel like it can hold me over for lunch if I'm working out. They're the Trader Joe's organic low-fat strawberry smoothies. I really recommend these for on the go. Next up we have the ghost pepper potato chips. So if you know me, you know I love potato chips. This is something new that I have never tried, but I have seen at Trader Joe's before, only because they're not the healthiest, and I try not to buy chips every single time that I go out, even though I wish I could buy chips every time that I would go out. But these look so dang good, and I hope they're not too spicy, but because they are ghost pepper, I am kind of scared, to be honest with you. But out of my whole haul, I would say I'm probably most excited about trying these and probably the cinnamon rolls. Got some avocado oil because I've been trying to cook with avocado oil. I'm trying to give my foods healthy fat instead of just some random oil. So this is definitely a great source of healthy fat, and it is one of the best ones out there. So it is expeller pressed. Ranch dressing. So Kevin loves ranch dressing, so we picked up the organic ranch dressing from Trader Joe's. I also picked up this Greek style feta dressing. So this is new to me. It hasn't even been opened yet, but I do plan on using this for salads. I grabbed another one of the masala simmer sauces. So I purchased this on my previous haul, and what I did is I just threw in this sauce in a crock pot or a pressure cooker with some chicken. And I pretty much let that cook for a little while, and I kid you not, my house smelled so dang good. I really recommend this. I've been seeing that people have also bought the coconut milk from Trader Joe's, and they also mix it in with this to make it a little bit thicker, which I think I'm gonna do that next time because it is a bit liquidy. The flavor is there though. Also picked up some of this naan bread. So you can find this in the refrigerated area at Trader Joe's, well, in the freezer area, because these are frozen. So these are imported authentic Indian breads, and you can pretty much eat them with anything. The way that I want to make them is I want to make like mini pizzas with this, so you can put some fresh mozzarella, pizza sauce, some pepperoni. I was even thinking about making like a barbecue chicken pizza, so just grill some chicken and then put some barbecue sauce on there. We also got some basic potato french fries. So Kevin loves these, and we love to make them in the air fryer. At least we air fry them so we don't add any additional oil. And if you don't have an air fryer, definitely get one because you don't need to add oil to them, and they are super crispy. This is something that we always have in our freezer. So this is their soft pretzels. You do get 4 in here, and the salt does come in a separate bag. And so I ended up getting some kale because I ended up making some potato and sausage soup. I actually have that recipe on my channel if you want to check that out. Got some spinach to also get some extra greens in for like omelets. I got some dessert. So this is the hold the cone, and this time I got the chocolate one. So these are super small. This is the way that I kind of, you know, do self-control. So these are pretty handy to have in the freezer. They are already open because we already did have some. I ended up getting some cereal. So this is the Just the Clusters Maple Pecan Granola cereal. I had this with almond milk. It was really good. Also got the low-fat granola cereal, the mixed berry kind. This was also really good with some almond milk. You can throw in some extra bananas if you like. That's the way I like to eat my cereal. And last but not least, because you guys already know that I love coffee, I ended up picking up these cold brew latte dessert bars. And I like these because they're pretty low calorie. So they are 40 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, and only 7 grams of sugar. So if you're craving something for dessert and you're a coffee lover, definitely pick these up. All right, we have made it to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. And if you plan on trying anything that I mentioned today, I would really like to know. So leave that down in the comments. If you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.